Hey guys, today is a deep conditioning day, so I'm gonna show y'all how I deep condition with the silicone mix. This is the Moroccan argan oil hair treatment. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So first I put my hair into 4 pieces. Since this is a different size than this one, I keep all the ones that are the same sizes in one place. So I take it apart. And I'm gonna cut this into since it's a large piece, I'm gonna cut it in half again. All right, so I cut like half, and I'm gonna put it away. Or just hold it away, I guess. So next, I'm gonna piece out this random piece in the front. And I'm gonna start applying just a little piece. I'm gonna take the back part. Twist it, hold it back, and then we're gonna add our silicone mix. I don't know if this is a good light because it just looks weird to me. And it is. Get some of that. My hair is very weird. Make sure you do it to your edges too. So the edges, the roots, and everything. Oh, well, that's okay. It's a short either, so yeah. You're going to do some brush first, and then brush like this, and then brush like this. So this, and this, and there's this over. There we go. And after that, I just do all the conditioning, and I really don't decide. It doesn't take too long. So, yeah. So I'm gonna keep this in for about an hour. Just gonna put a shower cap on and then wrap my head in a towel to create some heat. I guess because I don't really have we dropped our dryer in water, so we don't want to like get electrocuted. So we're just gonna try that for now. Okay, so now we're back. I've already washed it, and so I added this Shea Moisture Extra Moisture Detangler with sea kelp and argan oil. I added it in my hair already, and then I combed it out. Well, I combed it out. I detangled it again because that's my hair. And so now I'm gonna add it smells good. A Blue Magic coconut oil conditioner and scalp conditioner. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. I'm about to go and make some dinner. So I'm gonna just put it in my hair, just like how I put the silk mixture in. I'm gonna take it into how my hair looks. Just so good. Like my hair, like it looks really big, but it's really not. Like look, it's really not even that big. Like it's not like that thick. Like it's so thin. Well, it's not like thin, but it's not like really like full. That's what I mean. It's not like super full like it looks. I guess my hair's just fully voluminous, but it's not like very full like to it. So I'm just gonna pull the hair back one and then wrap around the back piece like that. Grab a little bit of this. And then I'm gonna put it on the roots and scalp especially. I'm gonna put this on my scalp. And then I'm gonna put it like that. And then I'm gonna just moisturize it from the scalp. See how nice my scalp look? Well, I wish I could see it a little bit better, but I'm supposed to change that, aren't I? So I'm gonna get some more so it like dampens my hair. Just got my hair. It's conditioner just my scalp. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with grease unless your hair doesn't like it. And hair has things it likes and doesn't like. So I'm like, your hair will yeah, your hair cannot like something, so I'm gonna accept it into its facility. But I think my hair likes it. So, or it's okay with it, I guess. So making sure that all my little curlies get some. Look at that. It's V&T, of course. So here's my hair. I'm gonna untangle all of them. Look at that. If y'all could touch it, it feels so moisturized. Feels so good. So amazing. You put this on it and see what's gonna happen. Boom. Look how fluffed it is. Anyway, so now we have my hair freshly moisturized, nice and everything. We are going to now braid it. Look, I'm not even in the picture. All right, so we're just gonna take it and I'm gonna make each side have 9. Oof, 9. Dang, my head is sore now. I'm gonna have this side have 9 corners back, 9 corners back. It's probably gonna be like small, like the ones I did before on my Instagram account. If you haven't seen it, go and follow it. I actually have a natural hair one. I'm gonna create a brand new one because you can't just turn your old account into a natural hair one because you're not gonna bring the right people. So I'm gonna try to make a new one that I can bring people out on. So yeah, let me get my comb and we're gonna begin. I finished one half of my head. There's some of them I tucked them in, and there's some that I couldn't tuck in because they were too big, so I just left them out. But eventually I'm going to pin them in to stay in place. But that's what they look like. I'm thinking about taking those and turning them into 3s. So turn this, like these 2, splitting them in half and like giving a 3rd one, because these are kind of really big and this is the middle of my head, so I don't want it to be like too big. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll be done for the night. It's already 9:56. Okay, I finished. Here's the thing. It's cute, ain't it? Okay, so the back I had to put like pins in it. Like, okay, hold on, let me. Can you wait? Can you see? Hold on, Can you see it? I had to put pins to help hold it in place. So if it looks like that, then yeah. Anyway, after that, I'm gonna put some cream on it because my hair was extremely dry when I was doing it, and now my head is like super tender, rised like steak. And yeah, and so I'm gonna put some oil in it too, and then I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll be done. I can get to sleep. It is currently 12:23. Yeah, I had to like redo and do something to make it like even smaller. I did about 20. I hope. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, about 20 of them. So yeah, my lips are extremely chapped, but thanks for watching. Bye. Looking for some ladies and some young men to run the race and then do it to the very end. They're turning back.
quitting if you're gonna win your mind. Get set, running like a champion.